Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I just wanted to share something that has become a staple for my riding gear, which is the brake-free technology. If you have not heard about this before, this is a helmet mounted light that has been a game changer for me when it comes to safety and visibility. So I'm going to talk about that today and why I've grown to love it. So what is brake-free? It is essentially a smart light that attaches to your helmet, no wires, no hassle, and it's designed to make riders more visible by lighting up whenever you slow down, brake, engine brake, or even just roll off the throttle. Now, I am a beginner rider and safety was my number one concern when I was learning to ride. In fact, I really didn't want to learn how to ride a motorcycle. It was my boyfriend, Chris, that had convinced me to learn to ride, and now I love it. But again, that safety piece is always in the back of my mind. So having this device has definitely put me a little bit more at ease because it makes me so visible on the road, especially at night. I was fortunate enough to be gifted this device for Christmas last year, and I do not go riding without it. It is definitely something that I wear every single time I ride. And what I love about it is it's so simple. It just clips right onto your helmet. There's no wires. It doesn't feel heavy. It's very lightweight. In fact, half the time I forget it's on my helmet. That was a huge plus for me as well. And it has a variety of different light modes that you can use. These modes can usually be toggled directly on the device, allowing you to adjust it based on your riding environment or your personal preference. This device is also built tough, so it is durable in all riding conditions. I've had it for almost a year now and it still works great. There are two cons to this device. The first is the power button is really hard to push, so it makes it difficult to turn on. And the second thing was the charger. It is not a USB-C, so it's just not compatible with a lot of the other technology that I own, so I have to carry around a different cable. That being said, they just came out with their second generation brake-free, and my boyfriend just ordered it. He just got it in a few weeks ago. The power button is definitely an improvement. Is it perfect? No, but it definitely is better than the original device. And now it comes with the USB-C. So if you are looking to invest in one of these, I would definitely recommend getting the second generation one, just to make it a little bit easier to turn on, and that way you don't have to carry around too many chargers. So that is my experience with the brake-free tech. If you've tried it or if you have questions about how it works, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. I'd be happy to help you with any of the questions that you have. If you're ready to upgrade your riding safety, you can grab your own at their website. I have it linked below. I also have a discount code in the description below, so make sure you check that out. And it also makes a great gift for any rider in your life. With Christmas coming up, that would be a great purchase for them, help them stay safe. Don't forget to like this video, share it with some of your fellow riders, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my two-wheeled content. Ride safe, and I'll see you next time.